Characteristic of an ideal house: space, good materials used in construction, sunlight, proper ventilation, good drainage system, regular water supply and plumbing. Now, let us discuss them one by one. 1. Space. A good house should have that much of space which is necessary for the people in the house to live there comfortably. A good house consists of many rooms for various purposes. Thus, enough space is a necessity for a good house. Small houses with less space have the residents of the house fall victim to several problems. 2. Construction material. To construct a house, the material used should be such that the house becomes strong enough to protect the people from rain, wind, earthquakes, and storms. The flooring and walls of the house should also be strong. Sunlight. Sunlight is the most essential thing to live. So, an ideal house must allow the entrance of sunlight. Sunlight makes the house germ-free and thus keeps the residents of the house in a healthy condition. To get proper sunlight, it should be taken into account during construction of a house that the house should be sun-facing and house it should also have several windows. Ventilation. The process of exchange of air is called ventilation. It takes out the bad air and brings the fresh air inside the house. We all require fresh air to be healthy and free from disease. When we do not receive the fresh air, we find that we have problem in breathing. This kind of problem is solved by having a number of windows and ventilators in the houses. While constructing the house, we should ensure that there is provision of adequate ventilation. Drainage system. An ideal house should have a proper drainage system. The drainage system means covered drains with filtered mouths. All the dirty water from every part of the house, like the bathroom, kitchen, lavatory, etc., should get collected in these drains or pipes. If we lack a good drainage system in the house, we shall have the problem of water logging. It also gives rise to germs of various lethal diseases. Thus, a good drainage system is a must for a good house. Water supply and plumbing. As we know, water is valuable or precious. It should not be wasted. A good house should have a good network of water supply. It should also have a big water storage tank so as to use water at different times. Plumbing means distribution of water inside the house through the pipes which take water to the tap.